Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to make mutton samosas. Cook mutton with ginger garlic paste, salt, pepper and turmeric powder and shred. In a pan add oil, fry 2 onions, add 1 spoon ginger garlic paste, salt well. Add 1 1/2 spoon chili paste. Quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon garam masala powder and salt and mix well. Add 1 tomato. Mix well till the tomato cooks. Add the cooked and shredded mutton and mix well. Add pepper. Add 3 to 4 teaspoons of mutton stock. Add half spoon chili powder. Now add coriander leaves and mix well. In a bowl, add 1 spoon flour and 2 to 3 spoon of water and mix to make a smooth paste. Take samosa sheet and fold in triangle shape. Apply flour to stick. Now fill with mutton masala fillings. Cover and apply flour to stick. Heat oil and deep fry the samosas in high flame. Now lower the flame so the samosa will be crispy. Now keep the flame in medium high. Fry till golden brown and then remove. Now samosa is ready. Try this recipe and comment me below. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button to get notified whenever I upload. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Till then, bye.